Hello everyone, it's Kaden Weather here. Today we're talking about the severe weather that's going to be going on today and tomorrow. Where this is not a severe weather outbreak, it's not going to be close to like really bad severe weather, but we definitely could see some severe weather um today and tomorrow. But yes, so today we're showing you all the risks, the tornado risk, the hail risk, and the categorical risk from the Storm Prediction Center, and I'm going to show you the future radar to time us out when the storms will hit your area, exactly hit your area. Coming up in today's video, so stay tuned. But what you're looking at right now is the slight risks um, for today. As you can see, we have two slight risk areas that we're looking at here. One of them is in the Midwest here, starting from like Wisconsin, stretching all the way onto parts of just the tip of Kansas there. Um, Definitely a slight risk there. So again, large hail, damaging winds, wind gusts at the max of 40 to 60 miles per hour possible in large hail. And we have another slight risk over here, which I'm circling right now, um, in parts of the central United States here, in parts of Colorado, a little bit of New Mexico, Oklahoma's Panhandle, extreme northern Texas Panhandle, and Kansas there, all in that slight risk for today, um, right there. We also have a marginal risk surrounding that in this area right here. Um, yes, not some bad severe weather, definitely in the marginal risk there, but still could see some large hail damaging winds in this marginal risk here. Definitely a lesser chance. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at a tornado threat for today. So as you can see right here, this is our tornado threat. So again, it's not that widespread here, um, and it's very low. So we may see a tornado warning, but also it's a very low risk. But just because it's a low risk doesn't mean you won't see a tornado. So if you're in this risk area, definitely have a way to get those alerts. Because just because you're in a 2%, this is a 2% tornado risk. Just because you're in a 2% tornado risk doesn't mean you won't see a tornado at all. So definitely be weather aware and stay safe from tornadoes. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at our hail risk for today. So yes, this is our hail threat. Again, it starts from Wisconsin, stretching all the way down to parts of Kansas there. This is our hail threat. Again, that's a 15% hail risk right here. Um, so move anything, move your cars in the garage, move anything that could be damaged by hail in um, in a hail safe area. So we have another 15% risk in parts of Colorado, Kansas, Oklahoma, and parts of Texas there for a 15% chance of hail. Also have this green shaded area here. That is our 5% risk for hail in this green shaded area that you see circled right here. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at our wind threat. So again, wind threat's it is identical right here, except there's only one difference. If you look in the northeast, we do have um, a 5% risk of seeing some hail in the northeast. So that's the only difference. So New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, you guys, and a little bit of southern Maine, you guys are all going to see the possibilities of seeing some hail, but definitely a lower threat. And we have those 15% risk in parts of Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Nebraska, Kansas. We have another area in parts of Colorado, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas there, all included in those 15% risks. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the future radar. Before I get into tomorrow's set, I want to show you the future radar. So this is starting off today, and you see this is about 1 o'clock today. So as you see, we are seeing some storms right here at about 1 o'clock, and then take this a little bit further. These storms just start to fire up. They're like now starting to fire up. This is about 5 o'clock today. You guys start to get your drive home from work. You start to see some um, showers and thunderstorms in Wisconsin. Wisconsin, you guys are going to be one of the bullseyes for severe weather today. And then we start to see another line about midnight tonight. Wow. Wow, look at this. Just big, big area of storms here around midnight tonight. Wow, lots of storms right here at about midnight tonight. That's going to take us a little bit further here. As you can see, then they start to go south. So we're pretty clear after that for the Midwest. Now let's just go ahead and take a look here at the southern United States. So let's go and switch this here. Central United States, sorry. More southern though, but central United States here. So again, we start to see those storms start to form. So again, this central United States really doesn't start to get nothing about until like 8 p.m. And then we're not even seeing that much bad storms. This is only like some showers and small thunderstorms. But then we take it about midnight and they really start to fire up. Wow, this is at 1 a.m. here, and you see the storms right here are firing up here, and we're also seeing some storms here, and then they just start to collide with each other right here. These will start to collide with each other. Again, look at these really strong storms right here in parts of Colorado and Oklahoma. That's definitely why we have that slight risk there for today. And then we start to go forward, and wow, look at this really strong storms. And again, they're getting closer to colliding here. And look at this, look at this really strong storm right here. Wow, these really strong storms here. This is about 5 a.m. here. So this is going to start about 1 a.m. Very long severe weather threat extending from like 1 a.m. and going all the way till morning tomorrow. And then, oops, and then once they start to get closer to each other, and in the 6 a.m., 7, 8, they start to collide with each other. Look at this. This was used to be separated right here. And then they start to bring, when they collide, they start to bring one big storm, one big strong storm right here, moving south. And so, actually, they're moving more west than south. But then they're really strong at that's about 7 a.m. But then around 7 a.m., they start to calm down, and they really calm down. Then they're clear. We're clear after that. There's some leftover slight showers and thunderstorms after that, but then we're clear after that. But yes, big thunderstorm situation. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at tomorrow's threat. So again, tomorrow's threat's still very big too, just as big as today's threat. So again, we do have two slight risk areas tomorrow as well. One right here, which includes parts of Iowa, sorry, not Iowa, Illinois and Missouri here. We also have another slight risk over here in parts of Colorado and New Mexico, and just like extreme western Cimarron County in Oklahoma there, in the Oklahoma Panhandle. But yes, otherwise doesn't include that much of Oklahoma, more of New Mexico and Colorado there. But yes, that is our two slight risks for tomorrow. Again, yes, definitely two slight risks for tomorrow. I also have a marginal risk surrounding that, covering both areas here. This stretches from parts of starting in just a um, tip of just southern Wisconsin, stretching over parts of Indiana, and going all the way parts of New Mexico. But yes, that is our that is our marginal risk. Now let's go and take a look here at a tornado risk. But a tornado risk, definitely our main concern is going to be the slight risk over here by Missouri and Illinois here, because we do have the bigger tornado threat over here. Again, exact details. This includes parts of Illinois and Indiana, Missouri, and that's almost all the states it includes there. Just a little bit of Iowa there. But yes, this is pretty widespread 2% risk. Again, one more time. Just because you're in a 2% tornado risk doesn't mean you won't see a tornado at all. So definitely be on alert for tornado. This is a very widespread risk, but it is also very low here. Let's go and take a look here at our wind threat. Hail threat, sorry. Then we'll go and take a look at our wind threat after that. Hail threat here. Definitely see some storms possible with hail in these two areas here. Again, this is almost the same as the slight risk. You see this green shaded area there, that's our 5% risk for some hail. And this is our wind threat. Again, it's almost identical, so these are almost the same. So there's nothing really different to explain here. Just 15% risk of hail and 5% in the green shaded area. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Comment down if you have any weather questions. I should be able to answer them. But don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more weather related content. I'll keep you weather aware. Stay safe, stay weather aware. Again, I do have a 2% tornado risk. But also, we have a slight risk today and tomorrow. So definitely stay weather aware. But stay safe. See that red subscribe button right there? Click on that to subscribe. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!